crafty friends, it's Audra Monk, the Crafty Yogi, and welcome. Okay, we're just calling it the crafty side of the house today because I just finished. I'm going to refresh my computer so I can see if I'm doing this right because I just canceled the last video because it was the wrong way. So let me take a quick look and see if my computer will refresh. Yay, I'm the right way. Okay, so now we can chat. All right, so as you know, I'm a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. And last week, if you follow me at all, I went to the On-Stage event, which is like a big convention-style event, and I learned about new products, and there was business training. We got this beautiful, beautiful catalog called the Occasions Catalog, and I can't show you the inside yet, but unless you want to join my team, then you can, of course, see the inside. But starting in December, we'll have catalogs, and we'll pass them out. So I am going to share... Hi, Arlene. Welcome back. Sorry about last time. So I just did okay, I've got to slow down. When you go to convention or on stage, there's a limited number of products you're allowed to pre-order. And of those, I only picked some because I'm still really focusing on Christmas and Thanksgiving and fall. But, you know, you always get excited when you see new things. And wow, my hair is a mess. So I'm just going to let you know, I had a class, had 2 new stampers in class, new to stamping, new to me, new to it all. And so we ran over a little bit, but we had a very great time. They were lovely ladies. So if you ladies are watching later, welcome to the Crafty Corner. So enough chat. Let's open the box. I got some bubble wrap. I got my order form. Okay. So let's just see what we got. Let's start. Ooh, these are celebration stamps. So what happens if you're new to this? In January through March, we have the catalog and the annual catalog. And for every $50, you can pick a free item from a special brochure. And I have it here somewhere. It looks like this, a special brochure. It's really pretty. And these are free things. And some things you get with $100, some things you get with $50. If you buy a lot, say you spend $150. You would get 3 free things or 1 bigger free thing and 1 smaller free thing, and you'd get host credits. So we can always talk, but let's just talk about stamp sets. So this one is called Hello Cupcake, and it's really cute. I am so excited about the little cupcake. We will have to fussy cut it, but that's okay. I like to fussy cut. I'm just checking. Good, so I've got the right angle, and you can see that. Awesome. So this is called Hello Cupcake. Another free stamp set that I got is these little frogs. It's called So Hoppy Together. It's very, very cute. Okay, did I get anything else free? I don't know. Seems like I spent a lot. We'll see, but let's just see what's in here. These are heart epoxy droplets, and you may not be able to really see them. They're little clear hearts, but we can color them with our blends. Our Stampin' Blends are permanent markers, so they will color. There are some Gingham Gala adhesive back sequins, and they are circles and flowers. So those are really fun. Oh, this is some shimmer paint. I got that. That's in the annual catalog. I'm sorry, in the holiday catalog, there is shimmer paint, and it is super, super pretty. So I needed to stock up on some of that. Okay, so something new. Butterfly Gala, lots of butterflies. And a matching punch. It is so cute. And I love the fonts on this. Thank you so very much. A little note, the good things in life are better with you. Hello, beautiful. But I love that. A little note, you could use that. And so there's all sorts of butterflies and a punch. So that's really awesome. Another one that has a punch. Let's find the punch. And we had a stamp last year that was very similar, and I loved it, and it had a die, and I would use it all the time. Now we can punch out our cakes. Look at those cakes. And they gave us lots of greetings. Besides birthday, there's Mr. and Mrs., there's cut the cake, may your love grow sweeter with every passing year. So there's really fun things. Hi, Nicole. Who else is watching? All right, there we go. I'm caught up. Count the good times, not the candles. And there was a good one. Hope this year is a piece of cake. Who cares what the question is? Cake is the answer. So you know I do like traditional birthday cake, and I like homemade cake most of the time. Let's see, there's some pretty ribbon, and this is our linen ribbon. Kind of looks like the burlap ribbon. It's very, very nice. You always need glue dots. Oh, and more shimmer paint. Shimmer paint's in the holiday catalog. I got these little flower punches. They're called Bitty Blooms Punch Pack. I actually did not get the stamp set or the paper. I will be getting the paper. Don't worry. All the DSP, it will be mine. I love designer series paper, but I like these little flowers, so I got that. Ooh, the Valentine stuff. You guys, the Valentine sampler I'm going to design is going to be gorgeous. And we're going to make it at the end of January, and you can display it all of February. But there's some pretty ribbon, and it comes in 2 colors. 2 colors. Let's see. Oh, it doesn't say it on the label, but I want to say it's Real Red and Calypso Coral, maybe. And it's a 2-pack of ribbon, so that is really nice. Guys, I am so in love. Okay, so stitched shaped framelits. If you've seen any of my cards or any of my samplers, these feature a lot. They made hearts and they made rectangles. I couldn't buy them yet. I have to, as a demonstrator, I get to order them in December. And as a customer, you can order them in January. Oh my gosh. Oh my, okay, I want to like stop and go die cut out hearts, but I'm not going to. Look at that. They have stitching on the inside and the outside. And then there's plain hearts. Oh, and then there's this flurry heart. And look at this, a little a gaggle of hearts. These are adorable. Okay, I'm pretty much in love. All right, so we have those. And there's a stamp set, Happy Valentine's Day. Nice traditional hearts that will go with those dies. So we're gonna use this when I make the sampler. All right, and then the rest is paper because I didn't get a lot, so that's good. So this will be kind of short. There's this gingham paper. So we have that buffalo plaid stamp. You should get it. You totally should order it. Oh, and I have a special. I will say it in just a moment. So stay till the end or come back. I bought a little treat. It's just a little cute bag at Disney. And if you order by next, what is today, Wednesday? By next Wednesday, so the day before Thanksgiving, and you use a host code, I'm going to put your name in a drawing and someone's going to win that little Disney tote bag. I'll show you in a second. But look at this paper. So there's big gingham and little gingham, and it's beautiful. I love paper. And in that, this is the paper that is coordinated with the Gingham Gala. So it's got the Balmy Blue, I don't know, and Highland Heather. Does it tell me? It doesn't tell me. Okay, and then this paper, all my love designer series paper. So we're going to use this on the sampler we'll make in January. And it's it is so pretty. And I'm tired, and I've been working all day. I might cry over how pretty this paper is. In fact, I'm going to open it. Oh, I know what my other free thing is. It's the last thing in the box. But first, let me show you this. So, okay. Look closely at that paper. Isn't that beautiful? And then the cool thing, what Stampin' Up! Does, is they're double-sided. And just little red dashes, little hearts, so many little hearts. Oh my gosh, so many pretty colors. And the cool thing about Stampin' Up! Supplies is everything is color coordinated. And this does tell me the colors. Balmy Blue, Crumb Cake, Flirty Flamingo, Lovely Lipstick, Soft Sea Foam, and Whisper White. So everything will match. The ribbons will match, the paper will match, the inks will match, the markers will match. So if you like your colors to match, you need to buy Stampin' Up! Stuff from me. And then the last thing I got for free was this Botanical Butterfly Designer Series paper. And it's just like the packs that we sell for $11. So you can get it for free with $50. That means you have $50 of cool stuff and a bonus free thing. So that is my pre-order. Pretty easy, pretty quick. That's why I didn't mind too much that I started late. And then here's my special. So as you know, On Stage was in Orlando, and so my girlfriend Megan and I, hi Megan, whenever you watch this, we went to Disney twice because apparently we don't need to sleep. We conventioned all day and Disneyed all night. But we bought these cute little bags, and they're just like your grocery tote bag. Although I will say I think it's slightly stronger than, you know, when you get one at Giant or Wegmans. And it says Walt Disney World on this side and the Magic of the Season on this side. And cute little print. Wouldn't that be adorable, DSP? I wish Stampin' Up! Could somehow partner with Disney. That would be cool. But anyway, if you order with the host code by next Wednesday, the day before Thanksgiving, I'm going to put all those names in the random number generator. And I'm going to send this bag to you. And I might even send you a cute little card. And the host code will be posted once I'm done with the video. I'll post it on there. And when you go to audramonk.stampinup.net and place an order, it's going to say, do you have a host code? And it'll be down in the bottom left. And you want to put that number in. If you don't put the number in, you don't get to go in the drawing. So there we go. Look for a little bit of sneak peeks, more like December time, because you can't buy it until January. So I don't want you to get too excited. I want you to enjoy Christmas. I want you to enjoy the season and crafting for your Christmas stuff. But I want you to know that there is more coming. And always a great time to join my team. And a really great time in January. That's top secret. So there you go. If you have questions, comments, requests, you want to see a picture closer up of something that I got, let me know and I can do that. So there we go. I do have to get up and walk around and turn that off. So stay crafty and I'll see you next time.